Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Buick Envision Essence all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9680XX. 19,000 miles on this Envision. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Summit white in color. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 4-year 50,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Envision is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side, government crash rating, seats 5, leather interior, rear outboard seats are also heated, along with rear heat and air controls. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, along with backup camera and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Split seats fold easily with the pull of a handle. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Essence has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, adjustable power liftgate control, power seats along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Start. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, leather wrapped steering wheel which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. Separate rear heat and air controls. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone front climate control, as well as heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect media devices. And a large glove box with all materials inside. Under the hood, this Envision has a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, 197 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway. All that with new tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.